Okay, so let's get back to our PyMem app here and pysnippets. I'm changing the name, but you guess what it is. So I'm gonna try to put a little bit of graphic. Maybe I wanna personalize it, and let me just get this image here that represent my blog, and let me put it into my snippet page here. So pysnippet, and you find my GitHub thing here, and then let me place the image here. Let me call it banner. So let's place it in here. Maybe let's call this pysnippets 4 snippets 4 snippets. Okay, and right. So now I wanna place my label. So I'm gonna simply put a new. Okay, I got all my widgets under this Windows method here. So def splash or banner. So I'm gonna make it a label, and so I don't have other labels, so I'm gonna call it lab, or I'm just gonna call it one LB banner label, and in the grid I'm gonna put it at the I don't think I can put it at -1. In fact, this gave me an error. If I put on to 0, it would be overwritten because I should put this to 1. Okay, there it is. And text will be equal banner. Okay, we got it here, but we want also an image equal photo tk photo image file equal snippets slash banner.png image equal emg. Okay, as you probably noticed, before we didn't see an image because we have to store this image into a variable. Otherwise, it will be trashed by the system that there is in Python that makes you get rid of the things that you don't need. But to make Python understand that you need it, you're gonna store it like in this. And you can also do column span, maybe column span equal to column span. Okay, because this one is done too. Oh, and let's do another frame 0. Okay, frame 0 is in column 0, frame 2 is in column 2, and there is this other frame here that is in column 1. And so frame 0. Okay, so frame 0 must be on top. Let me put them all together here. Okay, this is column 1, row. Frame 0 must be on top. So this should be row 0. This should be always column 0, but row 1, and this should be column 0, row, no, this is column 1, row 1. And okay, this should be here. Let me see what happens. Yeah, and okay, now I think, okay, but we don't see the list box anymore because it's in column 0, row 1. Okay, now I think we are good. Okay, we got our, and so we have our image up here. So to make a nice touch to these apps.